Hello students, myself Dr. Lakshmama HR, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government Facility College, Anekal, Bangalore district. So today's session we are going to discuss the problems on Spearman's rank correlation coefficient method. In the previous sessions also we have discussed some problems on rank correlation method. In Spearman's rank correlation method there are three methods. When ranks are not given, when ranks are given, and when ranks are similar. So let us see the problems. So this is the second method of problem. See, the ranks are given here. So you are given the following data: x variable and y variable. X variable, they are given the marks, the ranks here from 1 to 10, and here y variable, the ranks are 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 9, and 10. This is the problem. So this is two variables, x variable and y variable. This is the second method of rank correlation problem when ranks are given in the problem itself. Okay. So this is how we have to calculate the rank correlation. Calculation of Spearman's rank correlation, and this is R1 rank, and this is R2 ranks. They are given in the problem itself. R1 is x variable and R2 is y variable. So R1 and R2, they are given in the problem itself, the ranks. So what we have to find out is we have to find out the D. D is equal to R1 minus R2. R1, here R1, and this is R2. So 1 minus 8 minus 7, 2 minus 7 minus 5, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 4 minus 4, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 1, 7, 9 minus 9, 0, 10 minus 10 is 0. So this is D value. So what we have to make is D has to be, we have to make it as D square. So D square is 7 7s are 49, 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9, 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 7 7s are 49, 0 and 0. So this is called as D square. So the total of D square is called as sigma D square. That is equal to 106, 106. So this is the value of what we are getting, the D square. So this sigma D square 106, if we will put the value to the formula, we get correlation, rank correlation coefficient, that is 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. So this is the formula for calculating rank correlation. So 1 minus 6 into sigma D square 106 divided by n is number of items. N is equal to number of participants or number of students or number of items, like that. Okay. So that is 10, 10 cube minus 10. So 1 minus 6 into 106, 936 divided by 990. So that is equal to 1 minus 936 divided by 990, that is equal to 0.9454. 0.9454, that is equal to 1 minus 0.9454, it will comes to 0.0546. So correlation is 0.0546. Here we are getting the plus sign here, therefore this is called as positive correlation. Okay students, clear? Okay. Next, let us move to the next problem. Here, by using rank correlation, find out which pair of judges have the nearest approach to a common test taste in music. So here three judges are there. So in the previous sums, we are all done the problems based on two variables. So here three variables are there. So three variables are x, y and z variable. So three variables are there. And here the judge x marks are given here 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7 and 8. And similarly, judge Y ranks are given here 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6 and 9. Similarly, judge Z ranks are 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5 and 7. See, this is the second method of problem when ranks are given. So for this problem, let us see how to find out the correlation. So this is three judges R1, R2, R3. So if it is three judges is there, we have to make these columns. That is D R1 minus R2. For this, we have to make it as D square. Next R2 minus R3, D. For that, we have to make it as D square. Then R1 minus R3 because three judges are there here. That's why we have to make these columns. Again, R1 minus R3, we will get D, that we have to make it as D square. Now, as it is, similarly, you write down all the values assigned by judge A, judge B, judge C, like that. So R1, R2 and R3. Judges A marks ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು R1, R2, R3 ಗೆ judges ಏನು marks A ಗೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದೇ ತರ 1 by 1 marks ಅನ್ನ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ R1 minus R2, that is 1 minus 3, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 8, 10 minus 4, 3 minus 7, 2 minus 10, 4 minus 2, 9 minus 1, 7 minus 6, 8 minus 9. You will get R. That is D. R1 minus R2. This you have to make it as D square. Whatever the values you are getting the D, you have to make it as D square. 2 into 2, 1 into 1, 3 into 3, 6 into 6, 4 into 4, 8 into 8, 2 into 2, 8 into 8, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. You will get D square. Okay, students. Next is R2 minus R3. This is second column. What is there here? R2. R2 minus R3. Again, we have to do D. So 3 minus 6, 5 minus 4, 8 minus 9, 4 minus 8, 7 minus 1, 10 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 10, 6 minus 5, and 9 minus 7. You will get the D value. Now to this we have to make it as D square. D squares is 3 3s are 1 1s are 1 1s are 4 4s are 6 6s are 8 8s are 1 1s are 9 9s are 1 1s are 2 2s are. If you will make it as square, you get the D square. Okay, students. Next, here three judges are there. Therefore, we have to make this column also. That is R1 minus R3. Now we have to make it as 1 minus 6. Then 6 minus 4. 5 minus 9. 10 minus 8. 3 minus 1. 2 minus 2. 4 minus 3. 9 minus 10. 7 minus 5, 8 minus 7. If you do like this, you will get the D value. Now you make the d into d square. So 5 5s are, 2 2s are, 4 4s are. Like that if you will do, you will get the d square. So how many d squares you will get here? 1 d square, 2d square, 3d square, because 3 judges are there in the problem. R1, R2, R3. Therefore, first d square R1 minus R2, first d square, R2 minus R3, second d square, R1 minus R3, third d square. So this is how you have to calculate the d squares. Okay, students. Next, move on to the formulas. Judge 1 and 2, judge 2 and 3, judge 1 and 3. So again, we have to write 3 times the formula, that is 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. This is the formula for Spearman's rank correlation. Okay. So 1 minus 6 into what we are getting from first and second judge. See here, first and second judge. How much we got here? 200. So 200 divided by n cube is number of items. Number of items is 10. 10 minus 10, that is equal to 10 cube minus 10, that is n cube minus n. Now 1 minus 6 into 200, 1200 divided by 10 into 10 into 10, 990. That is 1000 minus 10, 990. So 1 minus 1200 divided by 990, you will get 1.2121. Okay. So 1 minus 1.2121, you will get minus 0.2121. Okay, students, this is what we are getting from judge 1 and 2 negative correlation. Why? Because 1 year and here the values are more. Therefore, we are getting here minus sign. Therefore, it is called as negative correlation. Second one is judge 2 and judge 3. Okay. So, R square, RS, that is rank, Spearman's rank correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. 1 minus 6 into 214 divided by n cube minus 10 cube minus 10. So 1 minus 1000, 6 into 214, 1284 divided by 10 into 10 into 10 minus 10, 990. So 1 minus 1.296, 1284 divided by 990, you will get 1.296. Okay. So now 1 minus 1.296, you will get minus 0.296. Here judge 2 and 3 also there is a negative relationship, negative correlation between judge 2 and judge 3. Okay. Next is judge 1 and 3. Judge 1 and 3. Again you have to write the formula. Formula bardu. Values and ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 minus 6 into sigma d square ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 and 3 ಜಡ್ಜ್ದು 60. So 10 cube minus 10, 1 minus 6 into 60, 360 divided by 990, 1 minus 0.36, 360 divided by 990, 0.36. That is equal to 0.64. Here we are getting positive correlation. It is nothing but judge 1 and 3 has a positive relationship, positive correlation we get in the pair of judge 1 and 3. Okay, students. Now, let us move on to the next problem, that is calculate rank correlation coefficient. Okay. This is x variable and this is y variable. Okay. So previous problem 3 judges is there. No, that type of problems they may ask for section C. If 2 variables, if it is there, means if the ranks are given in the problem itself, means it is very simple to calculate, know the solution. Therefore, it may ask for section B. Okay. Students, listen. If it is 3 judges is there, means the problems you have to do more steps, more calculations you may expect for section C. If the 2 variables, if it is there, means when we are compared to that, this problems is little bit easy. That's why you may expect for section B. Okay. So here x variable and y variable. See, the ranks are given here, and here also the ranks are given. So for this problem, let us see how we have to calculate the rank correlation. Calculation of Spearman's rank correlation. The ranks are given. This is x variable and y variable. The ranks are given in the problem itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that up to 10. And this is rank 2. That is 3, 1, 5, 2, 7, 4, 9, 6, 10, 8. They are allotted the ranks in the problem. So we have to make it as D. D is equal to R1 minus R2. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So this is what we are get D from R1 minus R2. Now make this D into D square. You just make this D into D square. How to make? You make it as square. 2 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Like that if you will do, you will get sigma D square is equal to 34. Okay, students, see here ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ sigma D square 34 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ sigma D square ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ we will get the rank correlation. Now the rank correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. So now 1 minus 6 into sigma D square is 34 divided by 10 cube. 10 andre number of items. 10 cube minus 10. 1 minus 204 divided by 990. You will get 1 minus 0.204 divided by 990. 0.2060. So that is equal to 0.794. See here, 0.794 will get positive correlation. Andre judge 1 ಮತ್ತೆ judge 2 ಗೆ positive correlation ಇದೆ, positive relationship ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಬ್ರು ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ that the relationship between two judges are going in the same direction. That is called as positive correlation. Okay, students. So practice all these sums. Apart from these sums, you practice some more problems from the question papers. Okay. So we continue in the next class. Thank you.